Goodbye.
Okay, see you next time. Don't forget your prizes.
Goodbye.
Sorbet!
Everyone inside! Wow, Daddy! I want the one in yellow!
I'm here, Daddy. Me and my dolly are all set to go. Basket. Let me get out our food basket.
Forward! I'm trying to take a nap.
The monster octopus has taken the little turtle captive.
Oh no! Larry popped all the balloons! What are we going to do?
Sorry! Sorry!
Whoa! Oh no! No! Oh! Oh no! There it is! Almost got it! No! My flower is gone! Swept away into the ocean of dreams forever! I loved my flower! I wish I had another one.
cup of tea. Uh-oh.
Julius! 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 Julius!
What is happening?
Hello? It's Brontosaurus!
There's just a hole where the swimming hole should be.
Look at Ferdis.
Look, Pete's stealing the whole dang swimming hole. You can't do that.
Hey, there ain't no law against stealing.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, look, he even kicked out all the little critters, Mick.
Hey, the swimming hole's for everyone.
Not anymore. Hold on.
Brown!
Well, come storms your summer like a swimming hole.
Terrific, Julius! Oh, do it again! Do it again!
Boogity, boogity. Boogity, boogity.
Pickles and prune juice makes the Pumpkin King! Run for your lives!
Oh no! It's the Big Quack! What's he pointing to now?
12! Oh no! The big Aries from the 12! The animals are coming!
Meanwhile, the nightmares multiplied. They spread. They generated new demons, even more terrifying than before.
No, Angelina, don't do it! No! Put it down! Angelina! Ooh, Angelina! You drew in the frog. That's it.
Wait! I haven't told you what it is yet. Hey, Dave, listen up, please. Wait! I haven't told you what it is yet.
Dave, listen up.